In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Wise transfer status. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you're looking at, and how to interpret the timeline so you always understand where your money is in the process. Start on your main Wise dashboard. On the left side of the screen, look for the option labeled Transactions. Go ahead and click that. This page brings together everything you've done recently in Wise, including money transfers, card payments, and other activity, so it's the best place to start when you want a quick overview. Here you'll see your transactions, including transfers. You can quickly spot the one you care about by looking at the dates, the amount, and the recipient. When you found the transfer you want to check, click on it to open the detailed view. This is where the real insight lives. On the transfer page, you'll see a clear progress tracker that shows each stage of the journey. You might notice statuses such as processing, money received, converting, sending, or delivered, and sometimes you'll see messages like awaiting information or action required. Each stage gives you a snapshot of what's happening right now. If there's anything you need to do, like confirming a detail or providing a quick verification, you'll see that call out right here, along with a simple prompt to complete it. If no action is needed, just sit tight and watch the timeline move forward. You'll also find an estimated arrival time that adjusts as the transfer progresses. Keep in mind that estimates can shift slightly based on the currency route, the recipient's bank, weekends, or public holidays. That doesn't mean anything is wrong. It's just how banking networks process payments. If the estimate changes, the page will update to reflect the new timing. Use the summary on this page to review useful details, like the exchange rate that was applied, the fees, the delivery method, and the recipient's name and account details as recorded for this transfer. Everything is in one place, so you can confirm the information matches your expectations. If something looks different than you remember, the timeline often explains why, such as an extra verification step or a slight delay at the receiving bank. That's all there is to it. Click Transactions on the left, open the transfer you're curious about, and read the progress and any instructions shown on that page. With that, you'll always know where your Wise transfer stands and how long you may need to wait.